IT Project Management Methodologies, finding the right approach for your team. What are IT Project Management Methodologies? IT Project Management Methodologies are frameworks that guide the planning, execution, and monitoring of IT projects. These methodologies provide structure and guidelines for how projects should be managed from start to finish. Agile methodology. Agile is a popular iterative approach to project management that emphasizes flexibility and adaptability. In Agile methodology, projects are broken down into smaller, manageable tasks known as sprints. Waterfall methodology. Waterfall is a more traditional project management approach that follows a linear, sequential process. Waterfall is best suited for projects with well-defined requirements and a clear scope. Hybrid methodology. Hybrid methodology combines elements of both Agile and Waterfall approaches. This flexible approach allows teams to tailor the project management process to meet the specific needs of the project. Conclusion. In conclusion, choosing the right IT project management methodology is crucial for the success of your projects. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can confidently navigate the world of IT project management and lead your team to project success.